What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, and we got the homie over there who recognized me. Shoot, I forgot to get your name. Sorry, dude. Or I did get your name. I forgot. I'm so sorry. I'm retarded. But yeah, thanks. We're back for another Nike Outlet video. We are out in Arvin, which is near Bakersfield. Yeah, that's as far as hell, man. I think I put what 50 miles each way to come here. But yeah, gotta do it for the channel, you guys. Gotta do it for the channel. Gotta do it for the deals. But yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Go see what's up. See if we can find some steals, you guys. See if we can find some steals. Holy crap. Okay, 20% off the clearance section. It is loud as hell in here. Like the music, man. We had like Club Nike and shit or something. What the hell? Alright, we're at the 10 and a half. Let's see what's up. Got the Ferrari 14s going for $159. You get that 20% off. So yeah, that's a pretty solid deal, you guys. Solid. I was trying to see if I got it for. I did get it for the same price, but I ended up getting 30% off instead of the 20. So yeah, these are dope. Here, for those of you guys who are new and haven't seen these are the black Ferrari Jordan 14 black Ferraris. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Not the greatest quality, but yeah, as long as you're not paying $200, should be legit. Should be decent. All right, not seeing the most amount of heat, but let's see what we can find, you guys. See, got the Epic React Flyknit 2s going for $90. Kind of a weird colorway. All right, get 20% off of that. If you guys want some cleats, some football cleats, man, that's what's up. $22 for these. Got two different colorways. Got the blue one too. $22. Get 20% off on top of that. Under $20. That's crazy. I guess these elements just made the clearance section from the aisles go for $100, 20% off. Got plenty. What's going on with these 270 Reacts? Oh, it's a size 7. $70 though? That's a hell of a deal, man. That is a hell of a deal. Pretty dope color too. With these Epic React Flyknits go for $90. These Proto Reacts go for $60. Get that 20% off. This is on the 10 and a half section, but this is a PG3 going for $60. That's a hell of a steal for those of you guys that like the PG series, man. $60, and you get 20% off. Damn, that's what's up. Got some. What is these? Vapor Streets? What is this? What is this? Vapor Streets going for $75. Not too bad. Too bad there are cheaper options, but that's a hell of a good price, though. Hell of a good price. Looking at the 9.5, there's really not much, you guys. Epic React Flyknit 2s going for. There's no way these are going for $150. Whatever they are, 20% off. I guess I got some 9s, some 720s going for $100. The black ones going for $135. Kind of seeing the same stuff over and over. Look, the same stuff. Not really seeing much variety. Size 8, got the free run shields going for $70. Get 20 off of that. And I've seen a bunch of these. The Quest 2s. These are some budget sneakers. $50. Two got some Zoom Freak 1s, size 7, $120. Got mine for what, $50 something. That was crazy. And the size 11s. Haven't found anything too interesting. Got the N7s Heritage. Oh, this is size 10 in the size 7 or size 11 area. Go for $70. Get that 20% off. We saw these Proto Reacts going for $110. Dang, we saw them cheaper, but now those are going for $110. Got some more PGs. Size 11s these are going for $70. Get 20% off on top of that. Dang, we got so many of these Quests and these Reacts, man. There's really not room for much else. You got some Alpha Bounce going for $80. Get 20% off on top of that. Got some Monarch size 12s. 12 going for $45. Get 20% off of that. Dang, what a disappointing trip so far. Got some PGs right there. Got the Proto Reacts going for $60. 20% off. Kind of the same thing over and over. The Proto Reacts, those are going for $60. The gray ones, pretty much the same thing over and over. What is this? I think this is the Jordan one, right? Oh, this is the Jordan React Havoc Florida. I didn't know that they actually make a Gators edition. That's crazy. All right, that's interesting. $120 for that. 13s, not really finding anything specific. Your guys' size as well. Got the 90 bucks for these Epic Reacts. Oh, this is size 12 and a half though. More Proto Reacts going for 60 bucks, 20% off. Same thing, just a bunch of generic stuff. Metcon flies going for 55. That's a size 14. There's just nothing, you guys. There's nothing. Let's check out the aisles and see what's up. Holy cow, you guys. They got Kobe ADs, you guys. Holy crap. They got these green ones. Pretty much a few different sizes left, and they also got the blue ones. Blue ones right here. That is crazy, you guys. Both going for 100 bucks. Crazy. Yeah, man, dude. Most of the good sizes are gone. I think the smallest one they got here is a 9.5. By the time you guys see this video, sadly, they'll be gone. But I did post it on my Instagram, so you guys make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, so you guys know all the deals, especially if you're local. So I do try to post all the good deals. Let's take a look at these, you guys. Got the 24, the 8. What's the 33? Am I missing something? I don't know. I don't know what that 33 is. Got something in Braille right here. I don't know what that says. 5 letters. Yeah, got Kobe's signature right there. It's got like mesh in the front, and then has like a synthetic material in the back. It's interesting. Interesting. I always thought these weren't that premium. I never thought they were that great. I don't know. Let's check out the blue ones. This is the blue pair. I just kind of took one out. Same number, same everything, same braille. Looks like it's the exact same design. I'm kind of not digging that pink in the middle, but I kind of like this blue one better than the green one. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? By the time you guys let me know, I'll probably have already copped one. But yeah, I can't believe they got 2 different Kobe's. These are crazy. All right, the More Than an Athletes, the Air Force Ones. These have officially reached the outlet. Reached the outlets, you guys. Crazy. Crazy. Pretty dope. High in quality. Got the Air More Monies. These are terrible. I don't know. Any of you guys dying to get these? I don't know. That's crazy. Dang, full box. I think this is the cheapest. We've seen it with the full box. We've seen it in the clearance section for 10% more, but hell of a good price, you guys. They got everywhere from 8.5 all the way to what size? 11.5. Probably gonna be gone by the time you guys see it. The aisle section got heat, man, compared to the clearance. The clearance sucks, but the Zoom Rise, according to wear testers, these are really good hooping shoes. I think he had these at number 2 or something, number 3. He had these in the top 5 for 2019. More Zoom Rise. Another pair of the Zoom Rise. Another pair of the Zoom Rise. Air Force Max. Another Air Force Max. And the cheapest, the budget one version. Jordan section, these are the Mars 270s. Got a plenty. This is like way too high though. Another pair of the 270s. The B Loyals. Oh, these. A lot less of these than the other ones. Legacy 312s. And the Proto Reacts. Got the 270 Reacts. More 270 Reacts. More 270. Is this the same one? No, they're different colors. 720 Waves. Yeah. Dang, these are in the outlets a lot now. More 720s. Oh, okay, that's a hell of a good price, but yeah, that colorway is a little, wow, interesting. A little too bright. More 720s. The Air Max 2 Lights. These are the Atmos. Isn't this the Atmos one? I don't know, that's what I thought. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, you guys let me know if I'm wrong. But yeah, going for $160, damn. Got the Air Max 200s. We saw these for like $100 somewhere, I forgot where. Some of the pricier Element Reacts. Some of the more reasonable ones. Really good price compared to these other ones. Got the Span 2s. Tailwinds, those are hella pricey, holy cow. Alright, this is kind of the budget section, so we're gonna skip over this. The kids section's way too packed, so let's just check out the women's sneakers and call it a day. Checking out the size 6. We're in Pegasus 35s, you guys. I love this colorway, I really do. I ended up finding a size 12 of this because they didn't offer this in the men's colorway, so I found a size 12 in the women's. They go for $80, get 20% off. A little pricey though, a little way too pricey. Going for $70, 20% off. These are the Odyssey React 2 fly nets. Cool colorway. Really cool colorway. Got some Jordan 1 high zips going for 90 bucks. Get 20% off. Yeah, those are terrible. The leather's just so good. Leather's just so good, but the zip, man, just ruins it. 5.5, got the Pegasus 35 turbos. Go for 85 bucks, 20% off. I do like that colorway. Definitely like that colorway, dude. That's dope. Look at these Element Reacts, you guys. $45. $45 and you get 20% off. I think this is the one that James got for 30% off, man. That is hella crazy, guys. That takes it into like what, 30 something dollars, like 30, 35, 36 bucks. Hella comfortable shoes. That's crazy. Air Max 97s going for 95. Get that 20% off. We are in the size 8. It's got an Air Max Plus 8.5 going for what, $130. Damn, that's pricey. More Element 55s on sale. 7.5 going for 50 bucks, 20% off. Ew, why are these going for so much? These are the Renews, man. The Renews are terrible. Super hard. Don't get them. Get the Reacts. Size 9 Jordan 1 Rebel, you guys. What the hell is this? Little zip on the side? That is terrible. That's terrible. What's the price going for? Sorry, almost dropped the box. Alright, go for 80 bucks, 20% off. Yeah, normally I guess they're 145. All right. Size 9 720s going for 90 bucks. Get 20% off. Dang, I got a lot of these Pegasus 35 turbos going for 85. I feel like they got more stuff in the women's clearance than the guys today. 720s. Did we see this colorway already? 90 bucks going for. Damn, I've been looking for one of these. This is a recycling place where you could recycle shoes. You bring your old shoes here. And then I guess they use it for, let's see what they use it for, blah, blah, many things. Oh, they use it for sports courts, like basketball courts, and even new shoes. That's crazy, man. I need to bring a bunch of my shoes here. That's dope to know. That's dope to know. If you guys need to recycle some shoes or throw away some shoes, just bring them here instead. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen Air Max 720s going for retail at the outlets. That's crazy. I got these. What do you guys think about these sandals, man? These are the 720 FF. I don't know what the heck FF stands for. Usually stands for fast fit, but these are some sandals, you guys. What do you guys think? You get like, these are like platform sandals, but yeah, $155. That's crazy. 270 Reacts, Air Max 200s, man. That's crazy. Yeah, I told you these are gonna keep coming down, man. And it's still sitting even for $45. Wow, that's crazy. Dang, if I paid retail, I'd be so mad. That's some wannabe Air Max, Air Max 1s, but they don't look bad though. 65, kind of high though. Kind of high price, but they don't look bad. What is this? What is this? What kind of skin is this? This is some sort of Jordan 1 low, and it has a really big platform in the back. 80 bucks. But yeah, the skin, I'm really curious about the skin. Kind of really hella interesting. Super durable. Not super soft though, but yeah, 80 bucks. 80 bucks, no additional discounts. Dang, I think this is the cheapest we've ever seen the Odyssey React Flying 2s. If you need some women's running shoes, this is the spot right here. I guess that other colorway didn't sell too well because yeah, these are a little bit more, but still solid price. Another colorway. This is a hell of a price for the Vomero 14s. This is pretty much the same as the other ones, but it has Zoom Air on top of the React, so pretty dope. Pretty dope for these. So I've walked around here for a bit. I want to get one of these, but which one? That's what I'm trying to figure. I do like the blue right here, but I don't know. That kind of ruins it for me. That kind of ruins it. I like the fact that that's black on the other side. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know which one you guys would cop. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the green one. It does say Kobe in the back right there, and it doesn't have that peach color, so I'm gonna go with the size 10 of those. The size 10 actually fits, so alright, found something at least. Wow, I cannot believe they had some Kobe's, you guys. I was able to secure some Kobe's, able to get that bad boy for retail. Yeah, I was kind of bummed out because I have to get rid of my fast fits. I was able to get the Kobe AD NXT fast fits, and yeah, I can't wear them because I usually put insoles in. I explained it in one of my other videos, but I can't wear them. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I should do. I'm like, wonder if I should sell them, if I should put them on what's called, it really wouldn't even be that much profit if I remember, because I think those are one of the shoes that like actually aren't going for much, but whatever. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Help your boy out, press that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button, and yeah, make sure you guys turn on that notification bell, because I do drop a lot of videos. I'm just gonna drop this off in the car. I think I'm gonna do an Adidas outlet video. So yeah, go ahead, make sure you guys tune in for that. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Let me put it over here. Actually, I would just put it in the trunk. What the hell? Yeah, right now. Damn, I'm gonna have to hit up the visit quick, and then get that long old drive home. You guys gotta get that long ass drive home.